Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to see how we can build a custom app bar. Okay, so here I am having a fresh project. So inside a home activity, so you can see it inside home activity, we have a class custom app bar. So if you go over there, so you can see we don't have anything. Okay, so let's start doing our code. So what we need to do here is a scaffold. First of all, scaffold. Inside scaffold we have an app bar, and but we don't need an app bar of this. We need to make a custom app bar. So we have a body inside scaffold, and within the body we need to use a safe area so that our code is managed according to our screen. If we are not using safe area, so we have app bar over where we have our batteries and this and that, so our content will go over there. Okay, so safe area. So what we are going to do here is inside our safe area we have a column widget. Okay, sorry, COLUMN. Okay, we have a column, and inside column we have children's, and inside children we are going to make two children. First one is for navigation, for app bar, and the second one is the content of our app. Okay, so we need a row here. For here I have a row, and inside our row we have a children's. So what we need to do here is we will use expanded widgets. Okay, we are using flex of 2, and now we have some expanded widgets. Okay, so let's copy and paste it, and I will show you how we can make it custom. So you can see that we are having let's say 6 and 2. So first of all we have an icon over there, so we will use icon button. Okay, icon and icons dot person. Okay, so inside our on press, so we are using this. Okay, sorry for this. Now inside flex, let's say we have a text view. Sorry, text, it's not text view. Basically I am from Android background. What the hell is this, man? Okay, here we have a text, and you can say custom app bar, and you can also style this text style, and text style you, let's say colors dot white. Okay, so okay, we are having let's say we need another icon, so copy and paste it. Okay, just change this icon to add. Okay, so what you are going to do here is, as we can see that we are having a custom app bar. Now here is a column. You can see that we have a row, and this is for our custom app bar. Okay, so let's give it a height. So I think we need to convert it inside a container so that we can give background color. So colors dot blue accent. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to run this on our Google Chrome. So let's see that if we are working fine or not. Okay, oh, I have enabled my web view, so that is the reason I can run it on the Chrome. So it's worked for Chrome, and it's worked for your mobile as well, so you can write it. Basically it's a very simple code, you can see all here. Okay, let's see either it is working fine or not. Okay, so we need to give height and width as well, but it's okay, it is working fine, but we need to do height and width as well. So you can see that we can select these icon as well. Okay, so if you want to change height and width, so you just need to do inside a container. We can do a height must be, let's say, 80.0, and width must be double dot infinity. This means that double dot infinity means that match parent, you have all stretched all over your code. So if we will restart it, so you can see our app bar is now width of 80, so you can give it to 60. Okay, sorry, we did not run it, so hot reload. So you can see that there. So you can also give height to same for every mobile, so you can use it like height must be media query dot of dot context dot size dot height, and we need to multiply this 0.1. it means that 1% of your screen it will takes. Let's see. Okay, so if we will change it to, let's say, 4, so you can see that we are having a big custom bar. So it is, I am just telling you because media query is used for it can take all of your sizes of your screen, and then it over and stretch it all over the screen and all across the screen sizes. So thank you for this, and the tutorial is done. You can see the output, and just forgive me because of my bad English. Allah Hafiz, goodbye.